screen crack? No, come on. Just keep right there. Is it on?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Tell them what y'all doing.
We're doing a cinnamon challenge. I'm not gonna be like Charlie and run my mouth, because if I choke and die.
And you're like, oh, I'm tatted.
Oh my god. You wanna take some of this?
Do not spit it on my daughter, or I'll be really fucking pissed.
Okay.
We won't.
Okay, good.
Okay. I'm really scared, but I'll do it to sacrifice my life. Okay. You ain't got nowhere near as much as I do. Okay. Okay. One.
Maddie, scoot in a little bit towards Alexis.
One. I'm gonna do it like this. You know, all on top.
No, that's dumb.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Maddie's about to spit it out. Your teeth are black.
I did it!
Is she throwing up?
Yeah, and I did